Hi, I am Jose Gabriel Anipanes, and I am with Nathaniel Ramos, my co-author. And today, we are here with you to guide you in learning interactive media and multimedia information. So, what is interactive media? Interactive media refers to various types of media, usually digital, where the user has the ability to influence the experience, such as the content that they receive. Examples include social media platforms, online quizzes, and surveys. And what is multimedia information? Multimedia information refers to a diverse range of data types such as images, audio, and videos. It provides researchers with a rich pool of information to study users' interaction with computers or related devices. This data requires coding for specific instances like gestures, events, or sounds, and poses challenges for analysis due to the need for manual annotation or automated tools. So, why is multimedia important in communication? Multimedia is important in communication because it enhances the way information is conveyed by combining text, images, audio, video, and interactive elements, making messages more engaging, clear, and effective. It also helps capture attention, improve understanding, and allows for more dynamic and interactive exchange, especially in education, marketing, and entertainment. By appealing to multiple senses, multimedia can increase the attention, encourage participation, and bridge language or cultural gaps, making communication more impactful and accessible. Characteristics of interactive media. First, we have user engagement. The level of interactions and involvement of users have with digital content, allowing them to influence outcomes, navigate experience, and actively participate rather than passively consume information. Secondly, real-time feedback. The instant response provided to users based on their actions commonly seen in online quizzes, chatbots, and interactive applications that adapt dynamically to user input. Third, dynamic content. Digital material that updates or changes based on user behavior, preference, or data such as personalized advertisements, recommendation systems, or adaptive learning platforms. Lastly, we have interactivity levels. The varying degrees of users' interaction in digital media, ranging from basic actions like clicking, hyperlinks, to more complex AI-driven engagements such as voice assistance and adaptive gaming experience.
Hello everyone, I'm Nathaniel Ramos. This time we will now discuss multimedia as media. Multimedia as media integrates text, images, audio, video, and animations to create a more engaging and effective way of communicating information. It enhances learning, entertainment, and marketing by making content more interactive and visually appealing. For example, social media, online education, and digital advertisements all use multimedia to capture attention and improve understanding. In today's digital world, multimedia plays a crucial role in how we consume and share information. Now, there are 4 characteristics of multimedia. First, multimedia must be computer controlled. Multimedia must be integrated. The information they handle must be represented digitally. And lastly, the interface of the final presentation of media is usually interactive. Let us now discuss the uses of multimedia. First use of multimedia is in entertainment and fine arts. They are commonly used in movies and animations. Multimedia is also used in the industry. It is used on presentation of shareholders, superiors, and co-workers, employee training, advertising, and marketing others. Multimedia is also used for educational purposes. Education, computer-based training, courses, edutainment, a blend of education and entertainment. It is also very much used in public spaces such as in standalone terminals and kiosks in hotels, railway stations, malls, museums, and grocery stores. Lastly, multimedia is also used in engineering, mathematics, and science research. Some examples of these are modeling and simulations. Let's now talk about the formats of multimedia information. The first format, which is the image format, are digital file types used to store and display images. They determine how the image data is compressed, stored, and displayed. The next format is the audio format. These formats are used to store digital audio data, determining the size and quality of the file. Next, we have the video format. These are file types used to store video content, including both audio and visual data. Lastly, we have text format. These formats store written content and determine how text is formatted and displayed. To ensure that learners can easily connect the information when related elements are used together, it reduces the cognitive load and enhances understanding. Next, we have the modality principle. Learners absorb information better when visuals are paired with audio narration rather than written text. Using audio and visuals reduces the strain on working memory, making it easier for learners to process complex information. Next, we have the redundancy principle, presenting the same information through multiple formats such as text and audio narration simultaneously can overwhelm learners. To avoid confusion, it's best to use either text or narration, not both but conveying the same messages. Now, we have the coherence principle, relevant for extraneous content such as unnecessary graphics, sounds, or text, to be avoided, keeping the content focused. Lastly, we have the practice principle, providing opportunities for learners to apply what they've learned through practice or interactive activities, reinforces knowledge and improves retention. Practice helps deepen understanding by allowing learners to engage with the content actively. That concludes the lesson for today. We hope that you learned a lot by watching our video. Thank you for watching.